I'm Nancy Meso at Notably Nancy YouTube. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe. I offer weekly videos on tips, tricks, and trending issues to make you the best teacher that you can be. If you're already subscribed, welcome again. Okay, let's get right to it today. What I want to talk about and help you to avoid, because it happened to me. I did not avoid this, okay? And I want to help you avoid, especially with mid-November, end November, December, and January coming up, talk about your scheduling and what you can do to avoid scheduling on days that you look at your schedule and say, oh no, it's Thanksgiving, what happened here? Okay, before we get to the screen and I show you how to avoid this, I want to talk to you about what happened to me so that it doesn't happen to you. What happened to me was on Sunday, I had two monthly booking request students. One was a saved, and one was a reserved, okay? And in previous videos, and I'll link it up here, I've talked about the difference about that. But what happened was, by the time, now I'm living overseas, by the time I saw these two requests in my time zone, I didn't have much time to respond, okay? And obviously they were both regular students. Now I've been seeing this past month a downturn in my bookings, okay? So when I saw these two, I was really excited about it, and I thought to myself, great, 8 classes, yes, accept, and didn't really think more about it. The dates were dates and times that I do teach and I do open my schedule. Now here's what happened to me, unfortunately. Okay, and this was not a saved, this was a reserved, okay? So this spot is booked for me. I looked in my bookings and I realized that the day that I accepted one of these that I didn't key into when I did it was Thanksgiving. Okay, so like I'm gonna be home for Thanksgiving anyway, like family is coming to me, but and I can certainly like share half an hour of my Thanksgiving with one of my favorite students. I don't have a problem with that, and I'm thankful for all the students I have, and I love teaching them. But had I known that one of the days was Thanksgiving, I wouldn't have probably accepted that. Anyway, I want to give you some tips and tricks and ways that you yourself can avoid this happening to you. Okay, because everybody thinks that it's not going to happen to them till it happens. And unfortunately, I have missed several family events because of this recurring problem. Now, I want to share my screen and take you to the block time period at the VIPKid app, which is something new, and I want to walk you through exactly how to use it. Okay, here's my home screen. Okay, and in order to get to this, what I need to do is I need to go to class up here. I need to go to bookings. Okay, I click bookings. And right here, okay, we have the operation log, we have the booking requests, and we have the block time period, which I have used before, and it's really successful. Okay, I'm just going to put one in. You are able to block 4 more time periods. A single period of unavailability cannot exceed 14 days. Okay, so basically, you could either block it and still receive your booking request alerts, or you could block it and any booking requests that were for the day that you blocked are not going to come through. Okay, so you have a way to, and I'm not going to do it because I don't want it to be counted as one of my blocking periods. But for example, let's say that you want to block out Christmas Eve or Christmas Day or Thanksgiving Day or just family days that you'll be spending with your family. Okay, you go to this block period, you have a start date, choose, okay, end date, choose. You choose a reason, okay? So the reasons are vacations, medical purpose, personal reason, birthday, holiday, or other reason, okay? Additional notes that will not be visible to the parents. And that's how you do it. Now, what will happen is on your classroom page, okay, in your bookings, okay, I'll just show you an example of this. If I didn't want to teach, okay, let's go to Christmas Day just for an example. Here's Christmas Eve, the 24th, and Christmas Day. Okay, so what would happen if you had blocked this out is you would see in a different color, it would just say blocked, okay? And so that would, when you're scheduling yourself out, remind you of the day or the time period that you blocked. Okay, also I know that many people, I don't know what's happening this year, it's Corona and it's different, but in the past, people have like taken, you know, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, a few days for family time in this time period, and you can block up to 14 days. It's a good reminder. Now, the other thing that I do, I'm a big proponent of using these file cards, the 3x5 cards, and what I do, okay, is I make a note to myself, I say reminder, and I put in the dates that I'm not teaching for whatever reason, even if I haven't blocked out the time period, but I'd really recommend to block it out, okay? And then I post this on the wall right above my computer, so anytime I'm thinking of a date before I accept it, I look and make sure, you know, I'm not forgetting about a date that I didn't want to book. So I hope this helps you. Let me know down in the comments below if this time block feature helps you, and I really want to know if you guys use it, okay? And please use it, because it's kind of disappointing when, I'm telling you, I have a calendar, like I thought this will never happen to me, okay, because I have a calendar and I have my reminders, and now I have the block time period. Since the block time period, it hasn't happened to me, but it did happen to me on Thanksgiving because I got ahead of myself when I was accepting these monthly bookings. So really be on top of that so it doesn't happen to you. Okay, that's my quick tip for today. Happy teaching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.